Oh my gosh, nakakatawa naman itong number ko. Ay, 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 ay. So what will I do with the number 9 and 1? Teka lang. This is such a joke and a half. Number 9, can you straighten up a bit? Or probably ito. Probably the number 2 needs to move. I don't know.
That I don't know.
This is such a joke and 1/4. Kumusta naman ikaw, pusa? Hi, Pus. Pangalan niya ay Pusa. Yung nickname niya ay Pus. So the cat's name is Pus.
What is it?
Pus.
Goose. What's that mean?
P-U-S, short for Pusa. That's Tagalog for cat. Yeah. And my cute husband.
But I'm doing. Look at this.
Yeah, I
grass.
think
What did they
I
say
want to water.
What did the viewers say about the grass, though? This is like. Oh, I gotta get
Oh my
this
gosh, this is horrendous. The number 9 is kind of far, and number 1 is kind of drooping. Ay, tingnan natin. Kailangan na naman i-trim ito. Ma is doing well. Tapos, itong mga citrus ko, nag-order na pala ako ng ano. I already ordered citrus fertilizer. Ooh, see? Ang dami na niyang mga bulaklak. Oh my gosh, we need to get like mosquito prevention medicine here. Tingnan nyo. And 1, how many small ones? Naku, pag ako si Calamansi, I would say, stop looking at me. Every day na lang. So, 1, 2, 3 pa rin. Tapos, 3 maliliit. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. I thought there were like 4 na maliliit. Where could you be? Where could you be? So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tapos, yung may mga bulaklak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ang dami nila, guys. Ang dami nila. 13. Yeah. Woot woo. Ito, it's still a baby. So, kailangan pa ng space to grow. And this one, of course, yung tinanim ko ay namatay. Wala talagang silbi. Tatanggalin na lang natin. But it's doing okay. How about you? Oh, geez. Oh, no. I lost one of the fruits here.
Birds, maybe.
Oh, yeah. Probably the birds. Inutil naman talaga itong mga ano dito. It's either birds yung kontra mo or... Kasi it was already ripe. Tapos, kababago pa lang ano ni Cory. Spray ni Cory ng deer repellent. Iyon. Ganda ng bird. Where is it? There. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Uy, nawala. Okay. How about the roses? Ito yung kinain nila. Wala pa ring buds. Oh, meron na, oh. So, I'm gonna water them. Meron lang mga counting salinsing. Sa Bisaya pa salinsing. Oh, I hope you will not be eaten. Huwag kang magpakain, ha? Yan. Pag makita ako ng kapitbahay, sasabihin nilang, ano ba itong babaeng ito? Nag-uusap sa kanyang sarili. Well, alam niyo ba si Prince Charles? Kinakausap niya yung mga halaman niya, sabi niya. Tapos ikaw, when am I going to water you? Probably next week. Ayan, droopy ka na.
Didn't really water much.
I need to water the others like the roses.
I did them last night. You haven't put them down.
I kind of want to do it.
A few moments later.
Oh, goodness.
Wawa naman ito. Tawa ko.
Gosh. There goes my back again.
Sorry, Bob.
Oh, gosh.
Kawawa naman itong asawa ko. Pero yung tanim na yan, hindi naman siya masyadong mabigat eh. Ilang beses ko na yung kinarga. I think he was just not in the mood to lift up anything kasi na-disrupted na din yung trabaho niya as useless. Pinadala ko yan sa labas kasi na-remember nyo yung nag-jacuzzi ako. Ina-preempt ko ng pag-press yung massage button tapos hindi pa napuno ng tubig yung tub. Kaya yun, the water splashed all over the place. Kaya yun, natapunan siya ng water na may chemicals na, yung may bubbles na ba. Kaya siguro namamatay yung ilang parts ng leaves niya. But i-drain ko yung ano niya, yung roots niya. Lagyan ko ng maraming tubig until all the chemicals will drain out. Tapos hopefully, healing will start. For that plant, kawawa naman but I love it. It's surviving mga 2 years na siguro yan. Binili ko galing IKEA and it's still thriving and it's still beautiful. So, yay! It really looks nice over there, Corey. Diyan ko na lang siguro
you
yung
got your round leaves though.
Yeah, I need to remove it. I will just cut it. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friend La Filipina Carpentera here in America na nakaupo lang dito sa sahig sa aming driveway. Guys, alam nyo, natatouch talaga ako. You know why? Kasi parang dumadami na yung nagwa-watch sa aking video. Natatouch ako kasi noon tag 26 lang, tag 50 lang, although they were times in the past year or two that umaabot ng 1,000 yung viewers ko. Umabot ng thousands kasi pumupunta ako doon sa mga live na hindi ko kilala tapos nagmamakaawa ako na please go to my channel and watch my video please, yung ganun ba. Pero ngayon hindi na ako nagwa-watch ng mga live kasi ayoko nang magmakaawa, guys. Nahiya na talaga ako sa sarili ko kasi there was one time na nagmamakaawa ako tapos blinak nila ako. Yung parang ano ba, so ayoko na talaga. But anyway, guys, salamat sa inyong panonood ha sa buhay-buhay ko dito sa Amerika. Ito lang talaga yung ano ko, yung kalipayan ko ba, yung happiness ko. But anyway, guys, salamat talaga sa inyo. I owe you guys much. I know busy kayo sa inyong mga buhay-buhay dyan sa atin, but then you spare some of your time to watch my video. So please know that I really appreciate you, okay? Tapos yung sa HOA, so deadline namin sa aming driveway was April. Tapos May na lang namin natapos. No, hindi May, hindi. Mga 2 weeks ago, so first part of June na yung natapos namin. So, may penalty na naman kami. So, sabi ng kapitbahay namin na pag kayo ang gagawa sa inyong driveway, dapat follow ka sa deadline. Pero pag mag-hire ka ng contractor, walang deadline dyan. So, we were like, oh, okay. So, yun. Kasi si Dan, yung carpenter namin na friend, pumupunta lang siya dito pag weekend. So, yun, sinulatan ko, inimailan ko kaagad yung HOA na sorry we cannot finish on time because yung carpenter namin, siya, weekend lang siya makapunta dito, blah, blah, blah. Ganun ba? Kasi, sabi ng kapitbahay namin, pag may carpenter ka or hindi ikaw mismo yung nagtatrabaho, walang penalty kasi their time is out of your control. So yun, sinabi ko, nag-email ako, tapos ngayon naka-receive ako ng letter na may penalty na talaga kami, guys. Tapos end of this month, another penalty. Oh my gosh, parang umuusok yung ano ko ba, kaluluwa ko. So sinulatan ko talaga siya, sabi ko, this is very depressing. Nag-email ako twice sa secretary nyo na ito yung update ng aming driveway, tapos hindi pa namin kompleto kasi blah 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 blah, yung naghihintay kami sa aming carpenter, blah blah blah, so we couldn't finish on time because we are not working it ourselves, yung ganun ba. And tapos sabi ko na another penalty na naman, yung iba nga mga bahay-bahay dito, yung driveway nila ay mga bato. Why are you so strict on us? Siguro ganun sila ka-strict basta bagong salta no, basta bagong construction. So ganun, and I hope like they would listen, you know, like 250, at least 250 kasi akala ko 300. So but still, you know, 250, how much is that? It's still 15,000 pesos, right? Almost. Saan ka maipadala? Ko na lang yan sa Pilipinas. Hindi nga ako makapadala sa pamilya ko yung ganun kasi limited yung budget namin, tapos may mga priorities na dapat padalhan kasi namatay dito si nagkasakit dyan si kahit na medyo wala tayo, magsishare pa rin tayo kasi kawawa naman yung talagang wala kang mapuntahan, diba? At least dito sa Amerika may credit card ka na mautangan mo, diba? Dyan sa Pilipinas I'm sure walang bangkong magpapautang, but anyway, I sent him a firm and unfriendly letter. Hindi naman ako nangangaway, but I just told him that, we are really doing our best here. It's just that hindi namin control yung time ng aming contractor, diba? But anyway, so yung nagbi-video ako, akala siguro ng kapitbahay na siya yung binivideohan ko. Ayoko nang, alam nyo naman mga Amerikano dito guys, very particular sila na hindi sila bivideohan. Diba sa atin dyan, kaway-kaway mga tao pag binivideohan dito guys, ibang-iba talaga. But anyway, yun lang yung update for today. Para ako nagre-report, kasi guys, gusto kong i-share yung mga buhay-buhay ko dito, yung mga struggles ko and joys ko, and wala lang, because I love storytelling, and meron akong mga kaibigan talaga na yung sumusubaybay sa akin, feeling ko talaga ba na close na kami, like, oh my gosh, I want to meet them when I go back to the Philippines one day. But yeah, I'm thankful na nakilala ko sila, nakilala ko kayo. Uy guys ba, nang nakita ko sa mga video feed ko, ang dami, para namang ilang libo. May mga nag-watch din sa videos ko. Please, can I ask for a big favor? Please, please, please. Kasi 2-3 lang yung magko-comment. If you can just please say hi para makita ko kung sino yung mga friends ko dyan na organic watchers. And you know what guys, I really appreciate you. Salamat talaga na itong views ko ba, kahit na hindi tayo marami, but hindi na ako umaabot sa point na nagmamakaawa ako dahil walang views. So di bali nang hindi makaabot ng thousands yung views ko, basta kay at least sa Bisaya pa hindi hangyo lubo. Hindi hangyo lubo, like I'm not like really begging, forcing people to come watch my videos. Ito lang, so ko talaga na yung mga taong pumupunta dito sa aking channel is that the people that are kind of interested in what I'm doing here in America. So ngayon, pa lang ako, gardenero pa lang ako, but eventually guys, yung basement namin, that's another big project. So yeah, ako din magtatrabaho noon. So you watch out, okay? But I don't know when I would start. Ay naku, umuulan na. So magpalandong na ako. Tingnan nyo ang kalangitan. Tingnan nyo ang kalangitan, parang umiiyak na siya. But guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Salamat sa inyo ha. Please comment naman, kasi kahit na hi man lang, para malaman ko kung sino kayo. Please. Tapos I know you're very busy, but again, thank you so much talaga sa inyong panahon guys. And God bless you all, and may the Lord bless you and keep you. Bye-bye. Mwah. Oh, we have a new sprout here. Can you remove the... Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. And then, I would need that, sorry. Can I borrow that?
Let me get this right here. When you do a shower, you do whatever.
Huh?
You do a shower, you can do whatever.
How do I switch this on?
Up, and then keep going up for the, yeah.
Yeah, I would just let it on.
It's much better, isn't that?
Well,
Using
I
that,
still have to
right?
get used to it.
Huh?
I still have to get used to it. I would just let the chemicals flow out of the plants.
You mean just soap?
Yeah.
I don't think soap hurts plants.
I don't know. Can I have scissors? Love ya! Thank you, boy.
I need to bring them over soon. Go. I hope they deliver that doggone. What's that thing called?
Bird of paradise. Parang gusto ko siya dito. Ay, puputulin ko yung mga dahon niya.